Hi guys, my name is Memo, and today I will do a Memo challenge, activity challenge, and let's go start it. And please like the video and subscribe the video. Let's start it. Today we will make a plane. It's so easy, I know. Let's fold first here, left side. Next, we'll do here, gum, and next we'll paste in here. Like this, guys. Let's see. And next, just do this. Will do this one, paste middle side, paste it, and next let's see our plane school. And next we will need a paper and sketch pen, yellow color, and do a circle like this, guys. And one door we will need. So here line. And next we will cut it with a scissor. Let's see, guys. This door is so big. It's small. And next we will cut our window. Just like this. We cut a real full. Careful, not careful.
Hey, মাকে বল না আমি করতে
Next. And next we will take a yellow color and do yellow colors all sides. Like this, guys. And we do one window already. Like this. Next, we will paste it here. Let's give a gun or back sides, and paste it in here. And next, we will need a door, and door we will color a blue. Like this. We do a magic one. One is this. One is this. And next we will need a brown color, guys. Okay. And next we will paste this. Put a backside gum. Next we paste in here. Do not open a door. And next, let's back one. We need a paper one square style of paper and cut this one. And next we will take some blue color and do a style here. Nice light green. Next, we will paste in back and we will cut first like this, like a fire. Like this, guys. This way we will need a fire, guys. Like here, we will paste one to back side. We will put a gum to paste it. Next, even here, just like this. So front side. And next, where we will need some more peach, and we will do some more circles. Okay. No circle, we will do this one. And let's put a gum here, back side. Next, we will do a back side and this back there one space. And I do some circles here. To decorate it. And next, we will wear plane is ready. Thank you to join my Memo activity, and